When everything you've built starts to fall apart, it feels like the world is ending. The plans you made, the people you trusted, gone. What's left is silence. A silence so heavy, it almost feels like death itself. You sit there, staring at the ruins, wondering how it all went wrong. Anger rises, despair creeps in. And for a moment, giving up feels easier than standing up. But maybe this silence isn't your ending. Maybe it's the space where something new begins. A moment not of death, but of rebirth. What if I told you that the moment you think your life has ended is actually the beginning of your real strength? When everything is taken from you, your plans, your comfort, even your identity, what's left is the truth. The Stoics believe that when life strips you bare, you finally meet yourself. No titles, no possessions, no noise, just your mind, your choices, your will. It's in this emptiness that power is born. Because once you realize that nothing external defines you, you become someone the world can no longer break. I want to walk with you through this fire, not to escape it, but to understand it. Because the only real battlefield isn't out there, it's inside your own mind. Every thought, every reaction, every judgment, that's where strength is forged. Seneca once said, "A gem cannot be polished without friction, nor a man perfected without trials." Maybe this moment of struggle isn't punishment, maybe it's polishing you. Every hardship is heat, every challenge a chisel shaping who you're meant to become. So, take a breath. The fire isn't here to burn you, it's here to build you. Pain is not your enemy. It's the weight that shapes you, the resistance that builds your strength. We live in a world that tells us suffering is unfair. That comfort is the goal. But look closer, nothing strong is ever born in ease. Muscles grow through strain. Character grows through hardship. Every scar you carry is proof, not of your weakness, but of your endurance. Each one whispers you survived. You can survive again. So when life tests you, don't ask, why me? Ask instead, what is this trying to make of me? Marcus Aurelius once said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Yet, most of us spend our lives trying to control everything beyond our reach. People, outcomes, circumstances. We fight rejection, betrayal, loss as if our anger could rewrite reality. But the Stoics remind us, the world outside you is wild and unpredictable. The mind inside you is the only fortress that can't be conquered. The moment you stop wrestling with what's beyond your control, peace begins to rise within you. Freedom isn't about controlling the storm, it's about mastering your response to it. Much of our suffering isn't from what we lose, but from clinging to how life should be. Seneca called this the poverty of desire, an endless hunger for what we think we're owed. We chase expectations, possessions, recognition, and yet peace always slips away. True freedom, true calm, comes when you stop depending on the outside world and start relying on who you are, your mind, your will, your integrity. Imagine walking through life carrying nothing but yourself. No loss can shake you, no betrayal can break you. Because your strength comes from within, life will knock you down again and again. The Stoics don't ask for safety, they ask for strength. Marcus Aurelius said, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." Every setback can be transformed into fuel. Betrayal sharpens your sense of trust. Failure hones your discipline. Loss deepens your gratitude. Nothing is wasted if you choose to see it that way. The moment you stop fighting the world and start learning from it, every challenge becomes a teacher, and every scar a roadmap guiding you toward the person you were always capable of becoming. Picture two men standing in the same storm. The first clings to the past, curses life for what was taken, and lets bitterness eat away at him. Every disappointment makes him smaller, every betrayal leaves a deeper scar. He is a prisoner of his own emotions. The second man feels the same loss, the same sting, yet he breathes, accepts reality, and takes one quiet step forward. Calm, strong, free. Same storm, different response. Which man would you rather be? The one crushed by life, or the one who turns hardship into strength and walks unshakable through the wind? Here's a challenge for the next 7 days. Every time a small frustration hits, an insult, a delay, a minor setback, pause. Ask yourself quietly, is this within my control? If it's not, let it go. Don't chase it, don't fight it. If it is, act calmly, with focus, without complaint or the need to prove anything. Practice this daily, and slowly, something shifts. Insults won't cut as deep. Delays won't derail you. Disappointments won't feel like the end of the world. Over time, you'll stand like a rock against the tide, calm, steady, unshakable.